The world seems to be going in a frenzy over ChatGPT. It seems like the possibilities of using this tool to earn income is limitless. And this could be a game changer for earning passive income in a very easy and efficient way. As of today, ChatGPT has pulled in over 100 million users, so if you still haven't tried ChatGPT for yourself, you may want to try it out so you can take advantage of this tool that's literally changing lives. To help you with this, I am going to be showing you the best 4 ways to make money online using ChatGPT. All the methods I'm going to show you in this video requires no experience. All you have to do is copy and paste in order to make $500 per day. The first method for making money is going to be creating blog posts. There are plenty of freelance websites that you can sign up for, and people will pay you to create blog posts for them. After you received your first order, you can go to ChatGPT and ask the AI to write the article for you based off the details of the order. Make sure you're very specific of how you ask the AI to write your script. The second money-making method is going to be copyright for products. For example, when you look at items online, the description can be the icing on the cake that convinces you to buy a certain product. Companies know this too, that's why they're willing to pay top dollar for creative descriptions of their products. First thing you would need to do is copy the title of the product, then go inside ChatGPT and type product and paste the product name. After that's done, type out the action of what you want to be done. For this product, we typed 5 Amazon optimized bullet points explaining the features and benefits. Then you can change the tone, as well as you can see ChatGPT typed out a fully optimized description of the product, and all we had to do was copy and paste for the most part. The third method is going to be writing essays. There are plenty of students in the world that are willing to pay someone to write their papers for them, and luckily ChatGPT has the ability to help with this. For example, let's say someone needs an essay written about pollution. All would need to do is go to ChatGPT and type, "Write me an essay plagiarism-free about pollution," and simply watch the AI tool go to work and write you an entire essay. And if you need some more text, just type "add more" until you've reached the amount needed. The final method for this video is going to be writing YouTube scripts for clients. Just looking at Fiverr alone, there are plenty of sellers who were able to become very successful. And when clicking on these sellers' profiles, you can see they have plenty of sales, which means this service is in high demand. And just like we've been doing with the previous methods, we're going back to ChatGPT. Describe the topic and the length of the script, and once everything is finished, go ahead and deliver the results to the client and get paid. These are very simple and easy methods to get paid using ChatGPT with minimum effort. If you would like to see different methods to make money, let me know down in the comments. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This is it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.